Want to learn more about the rowing machine at Planet Fitness? In this video, I'm going to talk about the rower's design, explain how to perform basic rowing techniques, as well as share some rowing workouts you can perform. Let's get started. Rowing is an excellent full-body cardio workout that any fitness level from beginner to advanced can enjoy. And if you're a beginner looking for cardio workouts, I have a 6-week cardio kickstart program that includes 30 workouts for the treadmill, rower, elliptical, bike, and stair climber to build your confidence as well as endurance. And you can get 10% off with the discount code CARDIO. Check it out in my description. Anyways, there are many different types of rowers, such as an air rower and a hydro rower. But for the most part, rowing machines are designed very similarly. They typically have footrests, a handle, a movable seat that glides along a rail, a monitor, and a way to adjust the resistance level. The footrests have an adjustable plate called a foot stretcher. Foot stretchers are designed to secure your feet with foot straps when you row. Before you start rowing, the foot stretcher should be adjusted so that the widest part of your foot is covered by the strap. Once your feet are in, pull the straps to ensure your feet are secure and locked in place. And when you're done with the rower, just loosen the straps to get your feet out. The rower handle is where you'll grip to perform the rowing motion. Make sure to hold it with a firm but relaxed grip. The seat is what allows you to glide smoothly along the rail, so make sure you're sitting comfortably. The monitor displays workout metrics such as time, meters traveled, strokes per minute, time it takes to travel 500 meters, calories, and watts. The higher strokes per minute, the higher the watts, and the less time it takes to travel 500 meters all indicate an intense row in which you're working hard and exerting a lot of effort. And the lower your strokes per minute, the lower watts, and the more time it takes to travel 500 meters indicates an easier effort. Depending on the type of rower you're using, there should be a dial or adjustment of some sort that allows you to change the resistance level. With a higher resistance, the harder and faster you row can lead to more distance traveled per stroke. However, if you're just starting out, I'd recommend using a low to middle resistance level so you can focus on your rowing technique. The basic rowing technique can be broken down into 4 phases: the catch, the drive, the finish, and the recovery. With the catch, you want to sit at the front end of the rail, close to the monitor, with your knees bent, shins vertical, and arms extended, making sure your core is engaged. From here, we'll enter the next phase, which is the drive. In this phase, you'll push off with your legs, and as your legs straighten, lean back slightly and pull the handles towards your chest. Remember here that your leg is generating most of the power, not your arms. After your legs are fully extended, you're in the finish phase, in which your back is slightly leaning and the handle is close to your lower chest and elbows out into the sides of your body. Finally, we enter the recovery phase, which will have you extending your arms back out, hinging forward at the hips, and bending your knees to return to the catch position, preparing you for your next stroke. And then repeat this process for the duration of your workout. In this demonstration, I've shown you how to perform a mid-row where you pull the handle towards your lower chest, which activates the mid-back and lats. There's also a high row, which targets your upper back and rear deltoids more. Here, you're going to pull the handles towards your upper chest or collarbone area, keeping your elbows high and out to the sides and squeezing your shoulder blades at the top. A low row will activate more of your middle back and lats. The drive here involves pulling the handle towards your abs and elbows close to your body. At the top of this movement, you're going to squeeze your back muscles. Another type of row is the reverse grip row, which targets your biceps and upper back. With this type of row, you're going to hold the handle with an underhand grip, keeping your elbows close to your body and squeezing your back and biceps at the top of the movement. 2 common types of workouts on a rowing machine are steady state and interval workouts. In a steady state workout, you're rowing at a consistent moderate intensity for a prolonged period of time. The goal is to maintain a steady pace and heart rate throughout the session. An example of this workout could be rowing at a moderate pace for 30 minutes, keeping your stroke rate and speed steady. In an interval workout, you're alternating between periods of high intensity rowing and low intensity or a rest period. The aim is to push the body to work at maximum effort during the high intensity intervals and recover during low intensity phases. An example of this is rowing hard for 1 minute, followed by 2 minutes of easy rowing or complete rest, repeated for 20 minutes. And if you're a beginner looking for more cardio workouts to follow, check out the 6-week program I mentioned earlier in my description. So you're gonna give the rower a try? Let me know in the comments below. And check out my other Planet Fitness videos in the link on the left. Thanks for watching.